inspire someone. 23 left. I'm somehow very happy. English knowledge for my attitude, for my confidence. Today is day 7 of my 30 days challenge talking to the camera in English. Today is the last day of the first week. The goal of today's exercise is for me to talk about what I learned in the last week, to make a review about the last week that I talked to camera. And actually it was not that difficult. I would say I was expecting it to be much more difficult. I was expecting that I'm going to miss much more words during I'm talking in English. I didn't have any difficulties talking to the camera, actually, probably because I'm used to, because of my job where I'm talking to people all of the time online. Usually I can remember when we started to work online and we started to switch on the cameras. It was very weird. I had to pause because the postman was here. It is very funny. He's coming from Romania, he told me once, and I'm a little bit out of my breath. The first time that he came, he pronounced my name very correctly, which doesn't happen very often here in Germany, and I was very surprised. I was just very happy about it, and he told me that he's from Romania, and then that they have also this name or this word. Since then, I ordered a couple of things. Last week, he had his leg he had some pains in the leg and he couldn't walk very well. So I promised him that the next time I'm going to go out to take my package so that he doesn't have to walk this, it's not a long way, but through the garden. Now coming back to my exercise here, what I learned. So I learned that it is not that difficult for me to talk to the camera. I learned also that I was expecting to have much more difficulties regarding talking in English, but it seems that I do have difficulties really for topics where I'm not used to talk about, like health or meal prep or usual day stuff. But I also started to write down words that I don't know. Here in my plan, I'm asked which are the words that were difficult for me to say, and I realized that the word word and the word world, these two words are for me very complicated to pronounce. I actually started together with this challenge. I started another 30 days challenge for filming cinematic with my mobile, but I realized that this is too much for me, that if I want to do both of these challenges, it takes just a couple of minutes to do both of them, but still it is like a mental weight for me, that I must think of one challenge and then another challenge, and I must do also my daily job and also family job stuff like cooking and learning with my children, something that we did a couple of minutes ago. So, and I realized this is then too much because I'm recording this challenge for talking in English to camera. Then I'm watching it, then I'm extracting the words that I don't know. And it takes more than the 10 minutes that I'm talking to the camera. So I decided that I'm going to give up the other challenge. So I'm not giving it up, but I'm pausing it, and I will do it after I finish this one with talking to the camera. And I think it's going to be a very nice topic for a following challenge, because I feel that I'm somehow very happy about doing something like this. This is something that gives me sparkle every day. So I think it is going to be, I will try to keep up doing different challenges, but now we are at day 7. There are 30, 23 left. I cannot calculate correctly. More than 23 days left, and then we will see. First of all, I would like to finish this challenge. And actually, I saw yesterday, because I said also at the first of the, I think, first of the days or the second of the days, I am a big YouTube consumer, and I was thinking about probably doing a YouTube channel where I will upload these challenge days. I think I'm going to do it because probably there are other people out there which would like to do something like this. Probably I can inspire someone to start this kind of challenge, because I see that it is good for me, for my English knowledge, for my attitude, for my confidence, for my confidence also. I think I'm going to upload these challenge days. And yesterday I saw one, there are so many gurus on YouTube which explain how you can grow up a YouTube channel. And I saw one there, it was because I'm doing this 30 days talking to camera challenge. So I see somehow all of the time talking to camera videos, like lessons about how to talk to camera. And there was one woman, she has this YouTube guru channel, and her video was about talking through the camera. One of the advices that she gave was to talk to someone, not to everyone, but to someone, to you, not to the world. So probably this is something that I'm going to incorporate in the next videos. I'm going to talk to you. It makes sense, because when you talk to a person, usually you are talking to this person. When you sit in a cafe with someone, with your friend, you're talking to your friend. You're not talking to the entire environment. This is something I'm going to start from tomorrow. From tomorrow, I'm going to talk to you. And probably you would like also to do a challenge for 30 days talking to camera in English, or 30 days talking to a camera in German. I can support you in talking to the camera in German. I cannot talk German like a native speaker as well, but I'm living in Germany since more than 20 years, so I think I can hear some mistakes and I can help someone, perhaps. I can help you, perhaps. I always wanted to be an inspiration for someone. Let's see. Okay, this was day 7, the last day of the first week of my 30 days challenge talking to the camera in English.